Good morning, students. Welcome to Kakatiya IIT and Medical Foundation online classes, Nizamabad. This is Maunika Eligandula and I'll deal with biological science. Today we are going to discuss about cell biology under 6th grade foundation biology. So before going to know about cell, you have to know what is mean by biology. What is mean by biology? So here biology is nothing but the study of living things, Nana. Study of living things. Study of living things or study of life or study of life is called as biology. So study of living things is nothing but living things are plants, animals, microorganisms. Okay, these are called as living things, Nana. Okay, study of living things. It is nothing but study about plants and study about animals and study about microorganisms, and study of life is called as biology. So next, what is mean by cell? Okay, Nana, what is mean by cell? The basic unit of life. Cell is the basic unit of life. Basic unit of life. Cell is called as basic unit of life, and it is also called as structural and functional unit of life. Structural and functional unit of life. Okay, Nana? Cell is called as the basic unit of life, and it is also called as a structural and the functional unit of life. Next, the cell is derived from Latin word, Nana. Cell is derived from Latin word, which means little room, Nana. In Latin word, room is, cell is nothing but little room. Okay, little room. And the cell was observed by scientist Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke in the year of 1665. Okay, Nana? This is the basic characters of the cell, Nana. The cell is a basic unit of life, and it is also called a structural and functional unit of life. And the cell, it is derived from the Latin word, Nana. It is derived from the Latin word, which means little room. And the cell, it was first observed by Robert Hooke in the year of 1665. So here, Nana, cell is called as a structural and functional unit. Okay, why it is called as a structural unit, beta? Okay, because of arrangement of cells in our body. Okay, Nana, arrangement of cells. Arrangement of cells in the body. Okay, Nana, this arrangement of cells will give a particular shape. Okay, Nana, particular shape or particular structure to a organism. Okay, Nana, the arrangement of cells in our body, they will give a particular shape. They will give a particular structure to a organism. That's why the cell is called as structural unit. Then coming to functional unit, Nana, here. Why it is called as a functional unit? So here, a group of cells combine together and form tissues, beta. Tissue. A group of tissue combine together and form organs. A group of organs combine together and form organ system, beta. Combine together and form organ system. So here the total organ system. Okay, it will make complete organism. It will make complete organism. See Nana, a group of cells, a bunch of cells. Okay, the group of cells combine together and form tissues, and the group of tissues combine together and form organs, and the group of organs combine together and form organ system. So in this way, the organ system will make complete organism. Okay, Nana? So here, due to the functioning of each and every individual cell, the life is possible. That's why the cell is called as a functional unit of life. So Nana, here every individual, every organism, every living organism is made up of cells. So that's why the cell is called as a basic unit of life. It is called as a basic unit of life, Nana. Okay, let's discuss about the types of cells, Nana. Types of cells. Types of cells. There are two types of cells, Nana. First one is prokaryotic cell. Okay, Nana? First one is prokaryotic cell. So let's see the definition of prokaryotic cell beta. So it is nothing but the cell, okay, Nana? The cell which do not or which does not, okay? The cell which does not contain membrane bound nucleus beta. Membrane bound nucleus. Okay, Nana? The cell which does not contain membrane bound nucleus is called as a prokaryotic cell. Example for prokaryotic cell is amoeba and bacteria. Okay, Nana? Amoeba and bacteria. Next, what is mean by eukaryotic cell, Nana, then? Eukaryotic cell. Okay, Nana? So, eukaryotic cell is nothing but the cell which contain membrane bound nucleus. Membrane bound nucleus. Okay, Nana? Example. Plant cell and animal cell beta. Plant cell and animal cell. So Nana, prokaryotic cell. So here the cell which does not contain membrane bound nucleus beta. For example, is a cell, it contains a nucleus but it is not surrounded by a membrane. Here, if it is a cell, nucleus is surrounds by a membrane. Okay, that is a main difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell beta. Okay, prokaryotic cell is nothing but the cell which does not contain membrane bounded nucleus. The nucleus is not surrounded by a membrane. Example is amoeba and bacteria beta. Next, what is mean by eukaryotic cell, Nana? The cell which contain membrane bound nucleus, Nana. It is nothing but the nucleus. It is surrounded by a membrane beta. Example for eukaryotic cell is plant cell and animal cell. Okay. See, Nana, here it is prokaryotic cell beta. Prokaryotic cell and it is eukaryotic cell. Okay, Nana? See, Nana, here the main difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is nothing but here in prokaryotic cells, the nucleus, the nucleoid, there is no membrane around the nucleoid. Here coming to eukaryotic cell, it is surrounded by a membrane beta, surrounded by a membrane. This is the main difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So let's have a look on general characters prokaryotic cells. Characters of prokaryotic cell. Okay, beta. So first one, prokaryotic cells are very simpler and smaller, very simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cell. And prokaryotic cell is derived from the Greek word, Nana. Is derived from Greek word. Okay, Nana. Prokaryotic cell is derived from Greek word. See, Nana, here the cell is derived from Latin word, but here the prokaryotic cell is derived from Greek word, beta. Okay, next. And prokaryotic cell does not contain, it does not contain membrane bounded organelles, beta. Membrane bounded organelles. See here, Nana, here ribosomes are there. See, dot like structures, granule like structures. Okay, this